Students, welcome to Chandbagh School Physics Department. This is lecture number 18, and in this lecture we are going to discuss and understand the last two MCQs. MCQ number 39. A nucleus of sodium 21 with mass number 21 and proton number 11 decays to form a nucleus containing 10 protons and 11 neutrons. Which leptons are emitted from the sodium 21 nucleus during the decay? Basically, this information has been provided that sodium is decaying, and the nucleus which is emitted, it contains 10 protons, and when proton number decreases, it means that beta positive particle is emitted, that is also known as positron, and when a positron is emitted, along with the emission of positron, and a neutrino is emitted, it means that in this case a positron and a neutrino, they are going to be emitted. As a result, option B is going to be correct. MCQ number 40. A neutron decays to form a proton. Which particle is not involved in the decay process? Students, you know that when neutron decays, it transforms into a proton, and when a neutron transforms to a proton, it means that a down quark changes to an up quark. Now, basically we have been demanded that which particle is not involved in this decay process. Let us understand and analyze these options one by one so that we can arrive at the correct option. Option A, antineutrino. Yes, antineutrino is emitted when a neutron decays to form a proton. So this particle, basically question is which particle is not involved. As antineutrino is involved, so this is not our correct option. In option B, it is given down quark. Down quark is also involved in this reaction, and the question is which particle is not involved. But down quark is involved when neutron decays to form a proton. So option B is also going to be incorrect. Option C, positron. When neutron decays to form a proton, then beta negative particle or electron is emitted. So positron is not involved. It means that option C is correct, but let us understand the next option as well. Up quark is involved in this decay process, so that is why it is also not a feasible and correct option. As a result, we are only left with one option, that is option C, that is, it is the positron which is not involved in this decay process, which is that when a neutron decays to form a proton, then positron is not involved in this decay process. I hope these are clear to you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.